Hello, boys and girls. This is the Apple International School Dubai Foundation Stage 1. Welcome to Writing Matters class. Our topic is story. The learning objective for today is learners will be able to attempt to do mark making, to provoke a child's interest in mark making and writing. Learning outcome is learners are able to retell the story of 10 Little Lights with the help of pictures. To listen attentively to a story. To complete the rhyming sentence. To apply their knowledge to real life by naming or drawing all the animals in the story. Okay, boys and girls, now it's story time. Let's listen to a story. Are you all ready? Yes. Look at the front cover page. Can you read the title of this book? Great. It's 10 Little Lights. I wonder, what could the book be talking of? Okay, let's go. Boys and girls, what can you see in this picture? What are all these? You're right, the snowflakes. I wonder, when does the snow comes out? In which season? Yes, in winter season. Let's start reading the book now. At the edge of a wintry wood, a large house stood silent and still. The silvery light of the moon reflected off the fresh white snow below. A warm golden glow attracted a rat who was scurrying in the frozen leaf. One little light was shining out in the night, and a rat was dreaming of a warm, cozy fire. What could that light be? The glow became brighter and attracted a hare who was snuffling in some crunchy twigs. Two little lights were shining out in the night, and a rat and a hare were dreaming of a cozy fire. Children, do you know what those two lights are? What could it be? Let's find out. The glow became brighter and attracted a fox who was prowling in the powdery snow. Can you see the fox? Three little lights were shining out in the night, and a rat, a hare, and a fox were dreaming of a cozy fire. The glow became brighter and attracted an owl who was gliding between the glistening trees. Four little lights were shining out in the night, and a rat, a hare, a fox, and an owl were dreaming of a warm, cozy fire. The glow became brighter and attracted a mole who was digging in the icy soil. 5 little lights were shining out in the night, and a rat, a hare, a fox, an owl, and a mole were dreaming of a warm, cozy fire. Now, children, how many animals are there now altogether? Can you count? Yes, there are 5 now altogether. The glow became brighter and attracted a robin, who was darting between lazy snowflakes. 6 little lights were shining out in the night, and a rat, a hare, a fox, an owl, a mole, and a robin were dreaming of a warm, cozy fire. The glow became brighter and attracted a deer who was sheltering under the bare branches of an old oak tree. 7 little lights were shining out in the night, and a rat, a hare, a fox, an owl, a mole, a robin, and a deer were dreaming of a warm, cozy fire. The glow became brighter and attracted a badger who was foraging in the frosty bushes. 8 little lights were shining out in the night, and a rat, a hare, a fox, an owl, a mole, a robin, a deer, and a badger were dreaming of warm, cozy fire. The glow became brighter and attracted a toad who was scampering through a hollow log. 9 little lights were shining out in the night, and a rat, a hare, a fox, an owl, a mole, a robin, a deer, a badger, and a stoat were dreaming of warm, cozy fire. The glow became brighter and attracted a cat who was returning to its toasty bed across the thick blanket of snow. 10 little lights were shining out in the night, and a cat was looking back at a rat, a hare, a fox, an owl, a mole, a robin, a deer, a badger, and a stoat, who were all dreaming of a warm, cozy fire. 10 little lights were shining out in the night, and 10 little friends were snuggled up very tight. The end. Now, boys and girls, did you enjoy the story? Okay, let's recall now. Okay. Can you recall? What is the weather like in the story? What was the weather like? Very good. It was snowy. And who is the first animal to appear in the story? Yes, you're right, a rat. Can you remember, boys and girls? Who lets the animals into the house? Yes, a cat. And how many lights were lit at the end of the story? Did you count? If you did, then how many lights were lit at the end of the story? Great, 10 lights. Girls, I want you to put your thinking hat on and recall. What were the animals dreaming of? Yes, you're right. The animals were all dreaming of a warm, cozy fire. And where is the setting of the story? Can you remember? Where is the setting? Very good, near the woods. How was the fire described? How was the fire described? Very good. Warm and cozy. Can you repeat after teacher? Warm and cozy. Great. And which creature was digging in the icy soil? Which animal was digging in the icy soil? You're right, a mole. Children, now is activity time, okay? So I need you to get your pencil and your paper and you're going to do this activity for us, okay? Are you all ready? I want you now, boys and girls, to get your pencil and your paper and we are going to do this activity, okay? For activity 1, can you complete these rhyming sentences? 10 little lights were shining out in the... Which word would complete that? Is it night, light, tight? You have to write it. And 10 little friends were snuggled up very... Which word would complete it? Is it night, light, tight? Great. For activity 2, can you name or draw all 10 animals in the story? Yes. So you're going to draw and name all the 10 animals in the story. And please do share your work with your teacher through MS Teams. Thank you all, children. Hope you did enjoy the story and make sure to turn in your work. Now it's time for us to say goodbye and I'll see you next time. Goodbye and keep safe. Bye.